How to log out of your Binance app. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to log out of your Binance app. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So if you want to log out of your Binance app for some reason, for example, if you are letting your friend or someone log into their Binance account on your phone, you first will have to log out of your account. Now there are quite a few ways that you can do this. The first one is you can completely erase its data. So open up the Binance app info, scroll down to storage, and then you can tap on clear data and it will clear out all of the data on the app. It will not remove anything from your account, but it will completely remove your account and it will ask you to log back in again. None of your assets will be lost in this process, so you don't have to worry. The other method is to simply log out of your app. Open up your app and make sure that you are logged in before you log out. So if you are logged in here, what you want to do is tap on the little Binance icon on the top left corner. Then tap on your user ID to open your account center. And right at the bottom, you'll have two options. You either have switch account or log out. And you can tap on any of this. So if you want to just switch account or add another account to this, you can do that. And if you want to completely log out, just tap on log out like this, and your logout will be successful. And that's how you log out of Binance. I hope you found this helpful. Hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time.